I just want to thank Anthony Prichard for helping this recovering introvert get over my shyness, my fear of judgment, to jump out and start making videos. And just this week, I made my very first 1-minute video to promote my business, and I couldn't be more pleased. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, Anthony. You went the extra mile to make things happen so that this video could be done. And I just so appreciate you and all that you've been doing to help me promote my business. Are you ready to make some changes in your life, but you don't know where to start? Many of us fear of leaving what's familiar to do what seems impossible. As a person who's battled against a few things, I get it. Matthew 26 says, with God, help you see yourself the way God sees you, not as a Gideon hiding from life, but as a mighty warrior being prepared by God for a great adventure, the adventure of your life. Together, let's discover the steps to take to start your life's adventure. For with God, nothing will be impossible for you.